Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload photos to your Zillow listing. Okay, the first thing I'd like you to do is to start by opening your web browser and signing into Zillow Rental Manager using the Zillow account associated with your rental listing. Once you're logged in, locate the rental property that you want to work on. So on Zillow Rentals, head over to properties, and once you click on properties, it's going to take you right into this window where you have all your properties arranged. Let's say your properties are live, right? All the things are not live. Okay, so just locate the property that you want to work on. And if you're creating a new listing, Zillow's current listing process takes you through sections, including property info, listing details, leads, media, and amenities. Your changes are saved automatically as you move through the listing. So you can click on add a property if you want to add a new property. But if you're working on an existing property, just select the rental property that you want to add photos to. Now, if you're still creating a listing, just continue through the listing setup until you reach the media section. Now, if the listing has already been created, just open the listing editing options and choose the option to edit the listing. So once you have clicked on it, you have listing. Now select listing. So once you select listing, let's see. All right, so once you select listing, if the listing had already gone live, you'd have seen an option for you to edit. But since I am not done, so I can just go ahead and click on resume, where I can pick from where I left off, and then I'm just going to keep following the prompts until I get to media. So here I'm going to click on next. All right, so I'm going to click on next. You see that media is here, so here you go, media. So it is in the media section where you get to add your photos. So once you're in the media section, just go ahead and click on add. Now, this is where Zillow Rental Manager allows you to upload photographs of your rental property. So I can just select this and I just click on OK. Now you can keep on adding more. Now Zillow specifically states that while creating a rental manager listing, the media section allows you to select photos from your computer or drag and drop photos from a folder directly into the upload area, which I just did. So just select the option, just click on add your photo and select the photo that you want to upload and confirm your selection. You can also drag and drop, and you can also reorder the pictures available. See, you can actually just reorder. Okay, so it's important for you to upload photos that actually represent the property, such as the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, bathrooms, exterior, parking area, and other important features. Well, before uploading, make sure that your images meet Zillow's technical requirements. Zillow's current rental manager help documentation says that photos should be in JPG, GIF, PNG, or TIF format and be at least 330 pixels wide, 220 pixels high. It should be smaller than 10 MB for Zillow Rental Manager listing, and Zillow suggests 1536 times 1152 pixel for best quality. Zillow's rental listing quality policy also requires clear and accurate photographs of the property's interior and exterior. So if an image refuses to upload, don't immediately assume that Zillow is malfunctioning. First, check the image's file format, dimension, and the file size. Well, after the upload finishes, the photograph should appear in the media section, which we have here. So look through the uploaded images carefully. Make sure that the correct property is shown, the images are clear. You can rearrange the photos if you want to, and once you're done, click on next and just keep on following the prompt until you publish your rental. So that's it. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.